under the topic of what the hell, I'm going to make a real quick video. It's going to be all on my phone, so it's going to be really terrible production quality. You guys are used to that by now. So I'm on a trip, and I'm gone for a week. Come home. It's a little chilly out in Indiana, and I take a drive in the F30, and there is no there's no heat coming out, so the blower motor's not working. So I'm like, crap, I probably messed up the blower motor somehow, but how can I do that? I wasn't even driving the car. Maybe it just went out, but it wasn't even making any sound. So it seems kind of strange that I was gone for a while, and then now it happened. So I'll show you what I found. What I found was, as I started taking apart where the blower motor is from the engine bay, just because I got kind of a hunch something wasn't right. Here is the actual squirrel cage, if you will. See a couple remnants of pink stuff. Now, what the heck was that, right? Well, that's what it was. So while I was gone, looks like a family of mice or something decided to crawl up into the engine compartment, found a little cavity, and said, wow, it's a cool place to make a bed. So what I did is took it out of there as much as I could, and then I sucked it out with a shop vac. Bada bing, bada boom. It works again. So just real quick before I put this thing back together again, there are some fasteners up here to take out. I stuck an Allen wrench in there, turned them a little bit, and then they pop up. You're gonna need that to get loose. First thing you're gonna need to do is actually pull this piece out. If you guys worked on these cars at all, you'll familiar with that. It's pretty easy. It's a 10 millimeter socket here. They're plastic, so don't turn them hard. They're just locking nuts. And then this piece is probably going to be a bear to get back in somewhere. But this piece tucks up underneath here. Tucks up underneath there. It's attached with two bolts. One of them is going to be over on the side over here. You can see the hole for it. That's the one bolt. I got it lined back up. And then the other one, which is actually going to be a pain in the butt, is right on the side here. And you got to get your knuckles between, or start to thread it between the metal piece here and this. It's a real pain in the butt. Let's see if I can get it in place real quick. Yeah, so it'll be down like this, and there's a bolt right here. This plastic piece you can see on the side are actually the threads for it, but it comes in from that side. So that's gonna be a pain to get back in. It was easy to get out, but it just took a lot of there's a lot of threads on it, so it took a lot of turning in a really tight space. So anyway, so if you guys have any problems with your blower motors not working, especially if your car's been sitting in cold weather for a while, somebody's probably built a nest in there. Other thing that can get, I guess, leaves and stuff can get trapped in there after a while and make it either stop working or sound kind of funny if it's out of balance. So anyway, check this before you take it into a dealership to get a blower motor put in. If you have to put the blower motor if you have to get a new blower motor in, I believe you actually do that from inside the cabin under the passenger side. But if you want to clean it out real easy, this is a good way to do it. So, all right. Thanks a lot, guys. Like and subscribe. And sorry for the quick video. It's just when you've got a BMW YouTube page, you feel like you can't fix anything without filming it. So that's why I'm here in my garage at 11 o'clock at night filming this. All right, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for your support, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.